Hello everybody! Thanks for stopping by Keto in the Kitchen with Pat. Well, the new year is upon us and we're going to be starting afresh in 2023, and I hope that you will join me in my channel as we go through our weight loss journey together. Even though 2022 was a tough year for a lot of people, we're anxious to get on with the new and start fresh and renew our commitments. And I think, and this is just my opinion, you can tell me how you feel below in the comments, but I feel that I like to eat good foods. I enjoy it. It's part of my life experience. So I'm finding that keto offers the best foods that you can eat and enjoy and lose weight while enjoying some good food. So you've got cheeseburgers, you've got hamburgers, you've got ribeye steak, you got butter, you got cheese, you got eggs, quiches, banana nut bread, and let's not forget vegetables. You've got broccoli and cauliflower, and you've got celery, and so many vegetables that you can have on keto as well. So, and with some of those vegetables, we make some creative things like creamy, cheesy au gratin potatoes, just a myriad of delicious foods, avocados. I mean, I could go on and on with all the delicious foods we can eat on keto. And yes, we have to give some up. And not that we can't ever have them ever again in our lives. We can have a few things. I know for Christmas I kind of deviated a little bit from keto, but then I renew my commitment and we get back on and we carry on and we do it again. And when we fall off the wagon, so to speak, we get back on. So that's what we need to do as a community. Support each other, allow for a few indiscretions. It's gonna happen. I mean, you know, life is life. The main thing is having a place where we can go to get support, encouragement, and to grow and to learn new things. So let's make this a really great year about learning new things, sharing with each other, and keeping on our keto journey. And I hope you've tried some of those recipes because they really are delicious. They are really easy for the most part, and I hope that you're sharing these things with your friends and family as well. So as we reflect on 2022, boy, it's been a tough one in many ways, but I am very happy to say I'm excited about the new year to come, and I hope you are as well. I think that we are going to be going into a refreshing period of time, not without difficulty. There's no year that seems to be without difficulty, but I do believe that it's going to be a joyous time, a refreshing time, and I hope that you will come back to this channel over and over again. As we close out the old year, let's refresh our memories and think about where we've been, where we've come to, and thankfully all of us who are watching today, we're here. And that's something I think we could celebrate all in itself. We are here. Let's do this keto journey together in a really fun and great way. And I'll see you on the other side in 2023. Happy New Year, everybody. Bye.